Hey guys, welcome back or welcome if you're new. If you're new here, my name is Flore, but you can call me Flo. I'm a stay-at-home mom to two amazing little boys named Michael and Joshua. And today's video is all about doing some laundry. So if you need some laundry motivation, we are here to help you out. So if you have a load or two or just a pile of clothes ready to be folded, go ahead and grab it and let's go ahead and do this together.
To be happy, you can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy.
So you guys, if you've been here before, you know my boys love helping out every time that I'm washing their clothes. Mostly Michael because he is older, but Joshua been helping you guys. He'll try to put the clothes in the dryer. Well, he like to play this game where he'll hold it, then drop it, and I have to catch it and put it in the dryer. So you will get to see that, and you'll get some cleaning motivation from Joshua and Michael. When we go to their room, we do clean up their toys right before they go to bed, so you'll get to see that.
To be happy, you can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary.
So when it comes to the laundry routine, when it comes to washing the boys' clothes, they're always hands-on. I always include them, and they truly enjoy it. I think they're just helping me out, or they find it really fun. So usually it'll start the night before, where Michael will remove the dirty clothes from the hamper and place it inside the basket. And now that I'm looking at that basket, it is so bent out of shape, you guys. We had it for so long, since the very beginning, like before Michael was born. I saw it and I thought it was so cute. So anyway, I probably eventually need to take a trip to Ross and get a new one. But we'll bring that basket down and then we'll start doing laundry in the morning. So recently, Michael been wanting to bring his stepper that he'll normally use to wash his hands or use the restroom. He's been bringing it to the laundry room to help put the clothes in the washer. And I think it's because they see me use a stepper, you guys. So we'll do that. And then I'll use the Tide Pod Free and Gentle. I've been using that for the kids' clothes for quite some time, actually. I think like right after their first birthday, if not sooner, I'll stop using the baby detergent and I'll just use the Tide Pod Free and Gentle. It's dye-free. There's no fragrance, and it works really well for my boys. So I've been using that, and that's what we'll do. And then once the clothes are dry, he'll help remove them out of the dryer, put it in the basket, and then I'll go with the basket upstairs, and then we'll start folding where we'll put the clothes away. Just take it in, you guys. Just look at my boys. This is why I say they're amazing. They just love helping me. Michael looks so serious pushing that basket, you guys. But hey, if you are enjoying this kind of content and you're getting some cleaning motivation to tackle that laundry that's looking at you, go ahead and give me a like. I would really appreciate it. It does help me out. So definitely go ahead and click on that like button if you haven't done so already. You guys see Joshua? He is walking, you guys. Well, he's able to take a couple steps before he fall, but he's doing so much better each day. I can't believe it. Like, look at him. Joshua, come on, baby. Yay, come on, Joshua. Joshua, look. Good job. We're getting better. Oh, Michael, be careful. Car okay? Oh no. Peekaboo, Joshua. Hi, Joshua. Peekaboo. Crying? Did the car have a boo-boo? Where's his boo-boo? It's okay, car. It's okay. It's a book that has been loved.
No.
It's still a book.
No.
It is still a book. Open it. You see? It's a book. You can still read it.
No. Oh no.
Oh no. It's okay. You can still read it. Yeah, the spine is broken. Oh, pants go there, remember? No, one at a time. Look, here's your shirts. Right here. Once I'm done folding and refolding some of the clothes, I'll go ahead and put them inside the dresser. One section is for Michael and the other one is for Joshua. It's just easier for us to keep things that way. And then once I'm done with that, we'll continue to work on nighttime routine. So we'll have bath time, we'll brush our teeth, we'll come back in the room and then pick up any toys that are left behind. And then we'll also have bedtime stories. And you guys, we're at the point now where we do have to put a limit on how many times we can read a story or how many books we can read per night. Right now, the number 4 seems to be the magic number for us. And currently, the boys are really into the Jory John books. We currently have 4. I believe there's going to be a total of 6 of the big books. So, we have the bad seed, the good egg, the cool bean, and the couch potato. We plan on getting him the smart cookie soon, and then I believe the sour grape will be coming out in November of this year. So we're super excited about that. If you're interested, I'll go ahead and link them down in the description box. But I just want to give a quick little shout out here. Kids stories and more, I'll link them down in the description box as well, because I do have to mention this. There are a lot of times throughout the day Michael still want me to read stories to him, and I may be working on something with Joshua. I am working on making sure Joshua reached some milestones as well, so I can easily put the video on. And Mimi does such a great job reading stories and a variety of different things on her channel. So if you're interested, again, I'll put that in the description box. But Mimi, if you see this, thank you so much, because your videos have been super helpful for me. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and just watching and hanging out with us. I truly appreciate it. I hope you got some motivation to tackle some laundry or whatever else you may need to do around the house. And if you're new here, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button and join our family. We'll love to have you. And until next time, you guys, bye. Favorite place to slouch is on the couch. I spend all my free time sitting in this exact spot. That's right, Joshua. Why would I ever leave this comfy, cozy couch? It got everything a potato could need. Bye-bye, couch potato. You see the couch potato? Yeah, couch potato. D. Uh-oh, be careful. Let's be gentle. Look, hold on. No more couch potato. D. And night-night. Night-night, couch potato.